playing Scream Stream. So basically what I will do, I'm gonna be streaming while I'm gonna film monsters. Yeah, that's oh my god! Oh my god. 1, 2. It's just the two of us. Living our time, it's just the two of us. Living our time, it's just the two of us. Wait, we aren't. Oh, we're in Halloween. Oh, yeah, we highly recommend to use headphones. Okay, I don't have headphones. Okay, you record. Yeah. Allies. So day one. Okay, we're at day one. Hey, no. I'm getting cameraman first. Okay. He left? Did he left? I think this is new cause he's a bacon. I'm not judging. Okay. Hmm. Okay, this is probably a kid. A kid. That's a kid. Okay. This is gonna take a long time because that's all. Are you trying to buy a camera? Do you have Robux to buy that? Yeah, I guess he have. He has. I'm shutting the door on you. 3, 2. Alright, I'm making a video and filming. Okay. Stay away. Is bro trying to lead the spider to me? Yeah. Whoa! My got hit. Did I get hit? Okay, our battery is gone. Yep, I agree, it's gone. Hey! Bro. I swear if he's at there and shuts the door, bro. If he's dead, I don't know. Did bro legitimately went deeper or he died? He left. He left the game, so we're good. We're good. So we're unfortunately alone now. Yeah. Okay, let's post this. Hey, Mad Dog, can you please shut up? I'm making a video. Okay, let's upload this. Okay, we need to put it here. Drop a camera. This is called Scream Stream. If you wanna play it. Hey! Give me the tape. If you wonder why I know this video, cause I watch some of these videos, Scream Stream, where you stream film. Yeah, I watched this game from Kalos and FGTV. FGTV is better. Alright, why is there double comments? Alright, we're at 21 views, and I think they're gonna comment about the spider, I think. Yo, why is there double comments, bro? Wait. Did we remove the person? Did they remove the person away from us? The person that we were with. Why is he not in the video? Is he a ghost? Oh my god, ouch, 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 I'm stuck. Okay, let's sleep. Let's go to bed. Okay, one more day left. Okay, and camera. Okay, let's go. And we're just alone. Press the button. Okay. Let's find some spooky. I need to find scary monsters. I'm hearing something. Oh, what the frick? What the frick is that? What the frick? Are you seeing that? The fat monster? Bro, I saw a fat monster. A fat monster, bro. Okay, where am I going? Last video. Hey, the video's done. Head back, head back, head back. Shut the door, shut the door, shut the door. No, 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 please. Bro. Oh my god. That was very stressful, bro. Let's throw this. Oh my god, bro. Stressful. Stressful. Okay, we're gonna get a billion views. Because they saw so many monsters. Okay, let's upload this. Upload. Hi for this. Okay, why are there two monsters? It's bug. Wait, you can already hear the monster. Oh my god. Bro. Okay, I'm very stressful. I still need to make more video. Like, bro, have you seen all of those monsters chase me, bruh? And are you serious right now? Enter the die bill. Huh? Die bill? What's a die bill, bro? What's the freak? Okay, I think this is the same map. This is where the most monsters I see. Okay, I already hear some. something else. What the frick is? What the frick? What the frick? What the frick? Do you want me to kill? You want me to die, man? To die? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you serious? Okay, I'm quitting, bro. That was so stressful. No, I'm not. I'm okay. I'm quitting. I'm quitting this job. I hope you enjoyed the bid. And so, bye-bye.